These advanced giant wood-cutting machines are not only simple tools, but also an important part of today's forest product exploitation process. Let's see the power and miracles that these machines bring. On adventures in the woods with the Nisula 325H head combined with the 840 chainsaw disc, demonstrating incredible cutting power, easily felling giant trees. This has made it a suitable choice for efficient and controlled logging in the heart of the forest. A giant is sweeping through an entire forest in a short amount of time with incredible speed. The Valtra A93 High-Tech is equipped with a Nisula 325H harvesting head. It cuts gracefully through snowy forests, seamlessly combining precision and power to conquer the icy forest landscape. N134 Active are an exclusive duo that redefines wood carving in the heart of the forest. With outstanding cutting capacity, it is possible to handle perennial wood trees easily. The Stihl MS261 saw emerges as an artistic masterpiece. With a powerful 50.2cc engine and a chain speed of up to 13,000 challenges. With an impressive 50.2cc engine capacity and a chain speed of up to 13,500 RPM, the Stihl MS261 chainsaw with a 28-inch bar is a force to be reckoned with, easily tackling big timber challenges. With impressive cutting speeds, this powerful Husqvarna 592 XP machine easily takes on tree cutting challenges in the heart of the forest with precision and fast speed. Let's see the process of treating almond trees in California with the PrimeTech PT600 combined with the FAE 500U 225 cover head. This formidable combination has brought giants down. In Noord-Dutchland, the Sampo HR86 harvester boasts a cutting width of up to 30 feet and an incredible harvesting speed of 2 acres per hour. This mechanical marvel ensures efficiency on a large scale. The perfect combination between the man and the advanced saw helped him to handle large trees easily and quickly. Start your wood carving journey with the Stihl MS261. With impressive cutting speeds, this advanced tool easily handles large pieces of wood. The men are always busy after big storms with their saws. Let's watch the process of processing a large log. Start admiring the sight of a giant machine taking on the challenge of cutting down large trees right in the middle of the forest. With its advanced design, this machine exploited the entire forest with incredible speeds. Explore the jungle landscape with the Advanced Processor 2, tasked with processing the giant trees deep in the heart of the forest. The perfect combination between the operator and the giant machine has helped wood processing be done gently and quickly. In the heart of the dense forest, the Tapio 400 mining machine works tirelessly like a lumbering giant, devouring towering trees with unparalleled efficiency. In the rugged landscapes of Chrysochofrafa Ceres, the Stihl 461 and 650 demonstrated precision and power, easily cutting through tree trunks up to 32 inches in diameter. With an incredible engine displacement of 93.6 cc and a chain speed that can reach 70.21 feet per second, the Husqvarna 592 XP stands out as an unparalleled behemoth, designed to conquer epic logs and forests. The Stihl MS361 N8S chainsaw boasts a formidable 59cc engine. This powerful machine moves seamlessly through large logs with unmatched efficiency. The Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw is a leading Swedish manufacturer that takes center stage in handling major woodworking challenges with ease. With an impressive chain speed of up to 10,000 RPM, this chainsaw is a symphony of raw power and precision. In the world of woodworking masters, This chainsaw is a symphony of raw power and precision. It plays an important role in the development of the current forestry industry. The Valtra 6250 twin track is equipped with a Hi-Pro 755. With a powerful engine, it delivers 130 horsepower and an incredible 4-ton lifting capacity. This powerful tractor is capable of seamlessly moving the toughest logs. With incredible lifting capacity, this powerful tractor is capable of seamlessly navigating through challenging wood carving situations. With a man's creativity, a homemade machine was born to improve wood cutting ability and save working time. With superior cutting capacity up to 20 inches in diameter and a fast processing speed of up to 1.5 seconds per cut, the Patu stroke processor on this Valtra tractor set ensures a seamless workflow in cutting large pieces of wood for processing. In the field of forestry, the Silvertech 8266TH delivery sled emerges as a real workhorse, conquering challenging terrain with ease. In the world of compact yet powerful chainsaws, the Husqvarna 135 Mk2 from Sweden, with its powerful 40.cc engine, delivers outstanding performance. In the area of cutting prowess, the modified Steel 661 is considered a remarkable feat of engineering, enhanced with sound reduction and removal of the air intake barrier, making wood cutting a breeze. With an impressive torque rating of 6.4 Nm and a fast change speed of up to 13,500 RPM, Steel MS661 chainsaw easily handles firewood handling. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.